Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to select ringtone of calls on the application of WhatsApp. To know how to select ringtone of calls on the application of WhatsApp, you should just go to WhatsApp as you see and we click. After that, in this page, we go to above to this sign. When you will find this list, you will enter to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to notifications. When you will find this list here, we will click ringtone here of calls. And when you will find this list, you can choose or select any ringtone of calls you want in this list to choose it here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.